Hi, if you're doing things like reaching overhead, throwing something, or even reaching up while climbing, you probably have tight lats through the back body. And I'm going to share a myofascial technique that will help release those tight spaces. And for that, you will need a foam roller. So I will see you soon. Hi, I'm Jessica Lucy with Sun Breath Yoga, and I help people find joy and confidence in the way that they move. So let's get started with opening up this lat space, and we'll put the foam roller on the ground. We'll come down to the ground and come on towards our side body. So from there, allow your forearm to be kind of like a rest or a kickstand for your body as you roll back and forth along the foam roller. So starting on the side body, because the lats go from your back through to your side. Starting on the side body, you can move back and forth. And then as you move on towards your back body a little bit more, you'll go on towards, so this is my left side, so the left hip, the left arm goes out a little longer, and you can begin rolling towards that back body space. And I have a tight space here, so I'm going to stop, hold, breathe. If my hips are higher, that means that there's more pressure on towards this foam roller, as opposed to if my hips are lower, then there's less pressure. If I wanted to be a little lazy about having more pressure, I could take a block and put it underneath my hips. So that way I have the height in the downward press without having to do all the work of lifting my hips up off the ground. So after you've found that tight space and you've breathed there for a little bit, say 3 to 5 breaths just to get into that area, begin to rock back and forth, left and right. So the knees go back and forth, the hips go back and forth, and the back body goes back and forth along the foam roller. So it's more like, if you can see it this way, more like that. That's the action that's happening on your back body. So give it a try. Try both left and right sides. Notice what you notice through those different areas of tension. And definitely comment down in the comments with any questions or ahas about how you feel in that space. If you like the video, definitely like the video. Subscribe to the channel and share it with a friend who might also be going through the same my back is tight problem. And if you want to know more about what else is going on, definitely check out my website, sunbreathyoga.com. Have a lovely day. Bye.